Hi all. So if you've seen my last video about the Roku Premier Streamer or IPTV, I also bought this one. It is a Google Chromecast and this is HD. This is why later I bought the 4K, because this is not 4K. This is probably just a HD, which is less than 4K. It's basically about 2K, half the rate of the video quality. But for most of the users, probably this is good enough. I'm trying to take out the adapter. Also, yeah, before taking it, also here we have the AAA batteries for the remote. So let's see how Google do it compared to the Roku. Okay, so here we have this tiny, very tiny Google box. It's very tiny. Even compared to the Roku, I will put the Roku Premier. You can see it's different size, but this is much thinner from the Roku. And it has a built-in HD cable, so you don't need another cable. Maybe you will need an extender if it's not long enough to get to your TV, but usually it will be okay. And this is the remote. Okay, and also here, interesting. I don't think this is infrared remote, although I can see here some infrared remark, but I'm not sure. And this is all basically adapter. The power of this adapter, let's see, compare to the other one. This is 5 volt 1.5 amp. The Roku is only 1 amp, so it's consumed a little more power. And I guess, yeah, and this is the batteries and the power cord from the adapter to this tiny box. By the way, this is USB Type-C, and on the Roku, it's micro USB. So this is a better connection in terms of, it doesn't matter which side you are trying, it will fit both sides. And basically, this is basically all. Thank you and bye.